Hey there everybody, it's Adam Teruska, Adam Teruska Videos. I'm with Winnie T, and we're over at the Galveston train station again, and this time we're going on a caboose ride. We're going to film that for you. We're going to have ourselves a good time. We're going to have some fun. We're going to get the shot. Okay, this is a caboose I showed in my first round of videos. I had thought at first this wasn't the unit we're going to be riding on, but I was mistaken. This is the unit we're riding on. And you can see what it looks like inside of here. And see the Illinois Central United States Mail Railway Post Office train car. And we're going to be going through Harborside on a 10-minute ride back out, 10-minute ride back. We're gonna have some fun here. The conductor gave the go-ahead. We're gonna get ready to roll. Side drive is down that way. That's where you'll find your cruise ships. As we're leaving the station here, I'll come back over to the other side to show you this side of the run as we do our trip here. Then I'll move over again back to this side here when we come back. This way you can see both sides. And as we return to this side, you can see some of the different train cars. That we showed the other day. Actually, these are cars in this particular set of tracks here we missed because we were over on the other side over there where that train is. Lots of patina on that one, double engine will be still right. Marble block for the two of the unknown soldier from Arlington Cemetery. Union Pacific DS 410. Cruise berth area for all the cruise ships down here. Gotta love palm trees. The Port of Galveston. Galveston Island in its entirety has so much to offer for people. It's a lot of fun down here, a lot of enjoyable things to do. Too much to list. It'd be something you just have to check out for attractions at Galveston Island. Everything from places to go, things to do, places to eat. Winnie T is doing her video right now on the train ride here. So make sure you check out Winnie T. Give her a subscribe, show her some love. We hit 72. Yes. That's all right. Oh yeah. T-shirts, no coats. That's what I like. If you're an architectural fan, this is a beautiful place to come down for architectural. You'll need to bring a lot of batteries for your cameras because you will go through them a lot. They have a shopping district down here called the Strand. Very, very cool, very nice. Big variety of items available. Oh, we got trains. We got trains. This is Harborside Drive. The port is over there. You can see all the cranes for unloading and loading ships. Quite sure what that is. It's being demolished. They're in the process of demolishing it, as you can see, but that's coming down apparently. Yeah, you can see how they're already they're in the process of tearing that down. Like I said, I'm not sure what that was for, but that one has outlived its usefulness. So people honking at us, waving to us as we're coming through here on the Caboose ride. This is an open caboose. It's standing room only. But for $8 a person, it's not bad at all. We head into the station again here. We'll be going into the museum again here in just a few minutes. That's a nice little ride. I'm sure when Winnie and I get back to Pennsylvania, we'll be doing some more train rides, going on longer train routes from Pittston to Jim Thorpe again, and maybe even some other train rides elsewhere. This is 27th and Harborside here. I think, no, 28th and Harborside, excuse me. 28th and Harborside. Here's some the wheels and for the vehicles that they'll be restoring in the not distant future. Some of those train engines are going to be parted out. Some of them are going to get restored and put back in service. Some of them are already operable and ready to be used. They're just not needing them right now, so they're just having them on the storage lot right now. Here's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff here. And we're going back into the station. We're going past the train cars again. Nice little adventure here. It's a short adventure, but it was a nice adventure nevertheless. A lot of fun. Waving to other people here at the museum here, saying hello. And that's where we'll be pulling into. We got more adventures coming up today. Got another video will be coming out in the not too distant future here, because we'll have another event that we're going to be doing here. We're going to be going to another museum here in Galveston. We're going to be going to the Galveston Naval Museum, and we're going to be going shortly after we get out of here. Probably going to grab some lunch real quick, grab something to eat, grab some drinks, and we're going to continue having some fun, and you'll be seeing that video coming up in the very near future. The Galveston Naval Museum is on Pelican Island here in Galveston, and it's right next to A&M Galveston campus. And train has stopped. We're getting ready to debark. We're right back with the outro. All right, so there you go. That was a open caboose ride here at Galveston Train Museum. 13895 is our caboose number. Hopefully you enjoyed the event like we did. We had a good time with it. Like I said, it was like $8 a person to go on that. And about a 10-minute ride out, 10-minute ride in. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a great time. Don't forget, Adam Tereska, Winnie T. Give us subscribes, likes, shares, and we will talk to you later. Off to the Naval Museum.